Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box unboxing for the month of December. Take a look at what's inside. Ooh, I see some fun stuff. Here are the stickers for all the products. That way you can label them when you're done making them. Recipe cards. So this month we got a Calming Orange Grove Roll-On. And then on the back, it either continues the recipe or it tells you something else about the box. So this is a sneak peek at next month's box. Then we have a Winter Skin Protection Balm. This one talks about how they donate 13% of the profits to a charity to end human trafficking, which is awesome. Then we have a Cocoa Marble Soap. That sounds really fun. And that has a winter spice blend. So we'll see what all is included in that. And that one has the recipe continued on the back. Ooh, soap jellies. That's awesome. I've definitely tried those before, but I've never made them, so that's really cool. Then there's a note from Katie, who is the recipe formulator for Simply Earth. Next is Orange Grove Exfoliating Soap. That's where the dried orange slices are going to be used. This one goes over all the essential oils in this month's box. It lets you know the uses of them, the safety for them, if it's okay for cats, dogs, pregnancy, children, stuff like that. And the last one is Winter Sunshine Diffuser Blend. And they have a blog, and you can check out videos, and they even have like a YouTube channel. Very cool. So here are the essential oils. Winter Spice, and that has tangerine, fir needle, balsam, and fir essential oils. I bet that one smells really good. Next up we have cinnamon leaf, bergamot, and the last one is Himalayan cedarwood. And then the extras are anything that's included, that's not included in your big box that they send you twice a year. So that's like all the bottles and stuff they already give you. These are anything extra. So this is goat milk soap base, 2-ounce melt and pour base, naturally high in vitamins and minerals, moisturizes and cleanses. I like how they put in a little thing so you can just pop it out real easily. Here is the dried orange slice. Couple of them in there. Oh, this is so cute. And it does say Simply Earth. It's a little silicone soap mold to just pour it in there. That's awesome. So that's what came this month. I will go ahead and put all the information below in the description box if you want to join. There's a promo code below for a gift card when you sign up. I've had a couple years of unboxings now on my channel, and I have a playlist, so make sure you check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.